Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today this is going to be hopefully the last part on how to make a text-based RPG using Python. So I don't actually remember too well where we left off, but hopefully you guys do. Right, we are looking at the battle goblin function. Um, so for this, basically, alright, so we say quest, you find a goblin. Right now, all it says is fight. So we want to take an input from the user again. Um, so instead of this, actually, I'm going to take it all out. We are going to call on a new function, which we are going to call battle choice, as in the choice we are going to be making for the battle. And again, we got to make the function, and it will be taking one argument, and just to differentiate it from choice in turn, we are going to call this B choice, either as in battle choice, or you can think about it as this is a second choice. This is choice A and B. However you guys want to think about it, but anyway, we are going to call the input function right here. And here's what I'm thinking. You guys don't have to do this, but where usually we have the colon mark, like right here, rather put two colon marks to signify that we are inside a function so that the person doesn't try to use one of these previous commands. So, well, actually, let's fill this out. Let's just say print choice. Let's just do that for now. Type in quest. There we go. We know we are looking inside of a function which is not the starting function. So let's just say attack. And it says attack because we are calling on it right here. So now that we are here, we want there to have the user be able to, decide on one of these choices to see what they want to do, basically. So let's start. Well, we are going to need the goblin's health to figure out if the goblin is dead and stuff like that. So let's go with global goblin health. Again, let me know, please. I do not make these videos in the same frequency that I post them. I'm actually making these videos all ahead of time. So if you guys left a comment in the old video, sorry about not doing it, but global, I heard there's something wrong with that, and I don't know what it is, but if you guys know any better way of doing this without using global, please let me know, because that would be very helpful. Anyway, let's say if bchoice.lower is equal to, equal to attack. So we are going to take bchoice, lower it, because again, you don't know what the user might capitalize. And if it is equal to attack, we will do this. So now finally we are going to be using the random library. We are going to do x is equal to random.randint. We have to select the range of numbers, so we are going to do 1 to 20. I am picking this range because that is the D&D standard range, basically. They roll a 20-sided dice, Of course, if you want to do that 100 or 5 or 10 or something else, you guys absolutely can, but so we are going to be checking if x is equal to 20. We are going to, that is going to be a critical hit. Again, taking rules from Dungeons and Dragons. But anyway, goblin health minus equals 1. So we take 1 away from goblin health. It is just 1. So since it is just, their entire health is just 1, we are going to say print you demolished the goblin. And again, /n just to do a line break to keep everything looking nice. If your goblin had more health than just this, you would probably want to do something different here. Just maybe like you attack the goblin instead of something like that, because we are only saying you demolish the goblin because it only has 1 health. So no matter what, if you hit it, it's going to be dead. So next we are going to do else if x is equal, if x is greater than or equal to 10, goblin health minus equal 1 again, and print you did, let's go with you killed the goblin. So the reason that these are the exact same, well, the only difference again is what is being printed out. That is because a critical hit, we have to make the user feel like if they actually did a good hit on that one. So finally, we are going to do else if x is, let's say, if it's less than or equal to 9. Honestly, we could probably do less than 10, but I don't know. I prefer this. So, sorry, not goblin health, but let's just say, so this is, right here where we're saying greater than 10 is a hit, less than 10 is a miss. So let's say, let's print you missed. Hold up. Let's do a line break right here. I almost forgot that. Anyway, print you leave before the goblin retaliates. I don't know if that's how you spell it. I don't feel like checking that. But anyway, let's add in another line break. And the thing here is, we are saying you leave before the goblin retaliates because we are not trying to run this function all over again and have the user attack again. You can do that, but just for this tutorial we are not doing that, because instead we just want to go back to this first function, to the turn, going through the turn function again. Alright, so now next, else if b choice dot lower. Okay, so we're going to want the user to be able to run, so let's do run. So if you choose to run, we will just say you leave before the goblin does anything. Obviously there's more things you could do, like maybe add a function to have be able to like drink health potions or something, or heal up. Anyway, actually I forgot. /n and then else. So if it is not equal to attack or run, again, I would personally want to well, earlier we did this to save space so that we don't end up doing something like this. The reason I am not doing it here is because then we would have an entire function just for the attack, an entire function just to run, and just at least personally, I think that this is a lot cleaner if we just keep it as an if-else statement. But again, if you do prefer it as a dictionary, then you can definitely do a dictionary right here instead of having to do all of this. Anyway, so if it is not any of those, we will print, let's say, let's do it like this. We will say command, like that, the curly brackets, command not available. And again, let's put it in quotation marks just so that they know it's so that the word is isolated separately from the rest of it, kind of. And then let's do dot format and b choice, so that b choice is put inside the curly brackets for when it's not any of the other two functions. All right, so then finally we are going to do you leave before let's say you leave before the goblin does anything. So just repeating this line above. And I believe that is it. Yeah, pretty sure that's it. So now if we run this, travel, has us travel to the next town. If we look, has us see, look around the nice town. And then finally quest, we could run. Quest, we can attack. And now if we go back for the quest, the goblin has been defeated because the goblin's health is already at 0. And just to make sure, if we say, let's just say hello, command hello is not available. So if we go on, oh, sorry, we're gonna have to restart this. We go on a quest and type in hello, it says command hello is not available, and you leave before the goblin does anything. So there we go. Hold up, let's see if you missed, you leave before the goblin retaliates. So there's that one, and oh, my bad. So yeah, there it is, a very simple text-based game. Obviously, there is a lot more that you could add to this to make it, first of all, your own unique game, and second of all, a bigger, more expansive game. Maybe even go down to, 992 lines of code. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'd appreciate it if you subscribed and liked the video. And you guys should go follow me on Instagram at Emmanuel with 2 L's 191 and on Twitter with the same username. But yeah, again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.